What if the $100 in your pocket magically turned into $100 million? Impossible, right? But if you're an entrepreneur, with support from Y Combinator, this dream can become a reality. Today, we'll share the story of a business that went from struggling to find a single client to powering transactions for industry giants like Amazon and Google. They grew from $0 in revenue and struggling in one country to processing $1 trillion in payments across 120 countries, earning $15 billion annually. Well, this is the story of Stripe, a company that transformed a modest sum into a valuation exceeding $70 billion. It has redefined the landscape of global e-commerce. Stripe's journey is indeed a tribute to strategic innovation and visionary perseverance. So, let's dive into the exciting story of how a small startup grew from processing small payments to billions of dollars each year. And if you find yourself inspired, like, share and subscribe for more stories of extraordinary businesses and funding success. Patrick and John Collison, two brothers from rural Ireland, shared a bold dream. They were fascinated by technology and its potential. Even though they were young, they already had experience starting businesses. As teenagers, they built and sold their first software company. After moving to the US for college, they realized online payments were too complicated. They believed sending money online should be as easy as sending an email. This simple idea led to creation of Stripe, a platform that makes online payments easy for businesses of all sizes. However, the road wasn't smooth. The early days were filled with challenges. They struggled to gain trust from banks and businesses who were skeptical of their young age and bold ideas. Convincing financial institutions to partner with them, navigating complex regulations, and coding the platform kept them up late many nights. Despite these hurdles, their vision was clear: to make online payments simple and accessible for everyone. The Collison brothers soon caught the attention of Y Combinator, a launchpad for startup dreams. They applied and were accepted into the prestigious program, which was known for nurturing tech giants. Y Combinator's operational in Stripe's simple yet powerful idea. At the start of their Y Combinator journey, Stripe received $100. This wasn't much money, but it symbolized trust and support. More importantly, it opened doors to larger pools of funding. During their time with Y Combinator, the mentorship was invaluable. They met experienced mentors who had walked the path before. These mentors helped polish Stripe's business model and refine their pitch to investors. They emphasized the importance of customer focus and scalability. Networking was another advantage. Patrick and John were introduced to a network of tech founders and savvy investors. They learned from peers and gained insights that only a tight-knit tech community could provide. With Y Combinator's seed money, Stripe fine-tuned its technology. They focused on making their platform not just functional, but foolproof. It had to be secure, fast, and incredibly user-friendly. A standout feature was Stripe's transparent pricing. Unlike competitors, Stripe offered clear, straightforward fees with no hidden charges. This honesty attracted small startups and big companies alike. Another feature was its global reach. Stripe allowed businesses to accept over 135 currencies, making it a favorite for companies looking to expand internationally. They secured a partnership with Shopify. This collaboration proved pivotal. As Shopify grew, so did Stripe, riding alongside Shopify's expanding user base, which sold for 41,000 in 2010 to over 1 million active users by 2019. By simplifying complex banking systems and being transparent with fees, Stripe quickly expanded its user base. The platform's ability to handle billions of dollars in transactions highlighted its robustness. After Y Combinator's initial boost, Stripe quickly became a magnet for investors. They completed several funding rounds, each more impressive than the last. By the end of 2011, Stripe had raised over $2 million from venture capital firms and angel investors, including Sequoia Capital, one of the most respected names in Silicon Valley. Y Combinator's stamp of approval played a big role in attracting these investments. Investors saw Stripe's Y Combinator graduation as a seal of potential and reliability. As Stripe expanded its services and market reach, its valuation skyrocketed. By early 2013, just 2 years post Y Combinator, Stripe was valued at $100 million. But that was just the beginning. The company's worth continued to climb, reflecting its growing dominance in the payment processing industry. By 2014, Stripe's valuation had reached $1.75 billion, marking a staggering growth trajectory that promised even greater heights. Before Stripe, setting up payment systems was a headache for developers. Stripe changed that with its developer-friendly tools that could be set up in minutes. One of Stripe's biggest impacts was on small businesses and startups. It lowered the barrier to entry, allowing anyone with an idea to start selling online quickly. This democratization of e-commerce fueled a boom in online businesses, contributing to the growth of the digital economy. Stripe also pioneered new payment technologies like Stripe Atlas, which helps entrepreneurs from anywhere in the world start a business in the US. This tool alone has helped establish thousands of businesses, further expanding global access to e-commerce. Furthermore, Stripe's introduction of machine learning models to detect and prevent fraud was a game changer. This technology significantly reduced the costs and risks associated with online transactions, building trust and increasing transaction volumes across its platform. By constantly innovating, Stripe not only grew its own business, but also empowered countless other countries to thrive in the digital marketplace. Today, Stripe is a powerhouse. All thanks to Y Combinator, Stripe is expected to process $1 trillion in payments, up from $800 billion last year. And with $15 billion in annual revenue, it's clear they're not slowing down. The main lesson we can learn from YC-backed Stripe is that strategic mentorship and relentless focus on innovation can turn even the smallest investments into industry-changing success. Like Stripe, if you're also dreaming of turning your startup into the next big thing, connect with Exit Fund. Know more at exitfund.com. For now, keep tuning in for more insights on business funding. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.